Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. Yeah, so guys, this is your girl Alice Eme. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, man. Say subscribe and hit that what? Notification bell. Such that each time I upload a video, you're notified. You just get a notification. Tan, 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 starting in 30 minutes, starting in 10 minutes time. Yes. But how have you been? And how has been your day? I hope you guys are doing all right. Tell me where you're watching me from. So in this video, in my last video, I talked about how to start a YouTube channel, and I was able to mention a few things that you'll need to know before starting a channel. So in this video, people have been asking me, uh, I have, most of you have been asking me, what do I use to shoot? Because my videos are clear and my audio is okay. And also, my videos are fine. Yes. Or what do you guys think about my videos? Anyway, a few have been giving me feedback about them, and I've been told they are okay. Tell me what you think about them. Leave a comment. I always welcome. I always welcome your opinions. Like, I always want to hear from you guys because you are part of me, and it's because of you that I am seated right in front of this camera. Anyway, let's start by what I use for shooting. So what I use for shooting, I use a phone. I don't have a camera yet, but I use a phone. And let me tell you, I have since I began this channel, I have always used a phone to shoot. So first, I was using an Infinix. That was Infinix S4, and that phone was a very good phone. Oh my god, I loved that phone, and I think it's one of the phones that I've ever had, one of the best phones I've ever had, because I, to some point, felt I was a heavy user because I had editing app in the phone. Like it's the phone that I normally use to shoot, edit, and use as my personal phone. Yes, but it never had a lot of RAM. It never had a lot of storage. I think that is why I had to switch and get another phone. So I upgraded to Samsung A14, and right now, even as I am shooting, I'm using a Samsung A14. Samsung A14 is also nice. Or what do you guys think about it? Yes. What do you think about it? It's a very good phone. Yeah. So the one I'm using has do I remember the RAM? I don't remember the RAM. 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Yeah. So you see how I upgraded from 32 GB internal storage to 128 GB. Yeah, so I use a phone to shoot, and then the apps that I use, I have two apps for editing. Sometimes I use KineMaster, sometimes I use Canva. So these two apps, the good thing about them is that you can pay for them, but it also has the other free version of it, whereby I think you only watch an ad and you're able to remove the watermark. Yes. So the other thing that I need, that you need, I've talked about the phone. One, that's very important. It's the phone that works as a camera. So number two is the apps. Apps I use KineMaster and Canva. No, I use KineMaster and CapCut. CapCut, CapCut, CapCut. Those two apps for editing, even the music. Then, the other thing that I normally use for my thumbnails, I use Canva. So Canva is user friendly. Let me tell you guys, if there is one app that is too user friendly, like all these apps are user friendly. Ata even KineMaster is user friendly. Ata even CapCut, CapCut, Cap, CapCut. I hope I'm pronouncing it the correct way. You can correct me in the comment section. Yes, but KineMaster and Canva for editing the video. And now when it comes to the thumbnails or posters, I normally use Canva. Any other thing that I've left out? Then also to monitor my channel, I downloaded two apps. I downloaded a TubeBuddy app. That one gives me updates about views and subscribers on various videos. And then also the YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is an app that every YouTuber uses. Actually, if you have already opened up a channel and you don't have a YouTube Studio in your phone, I would really advise you to download that, because that's the only way you can be able to know the performance, the real time performance of your channel. uh that's how you're going to be able to know the subscribers, the views, like more about even when you upload a video on YouTube, the final editing, you can decide to do the final editing from YouTube Studio, putting tags from YouTube Studio. There are other things that you really need to know, that is the monetization part, to know either you qualify, how far you are to qualify for monetization. All those things you need a YouTube Studio. And then what else that did I talk about? Titles, tags, and then also updating videos in case you need to do any changes, YouTube Studio. And then also there's one app, okay, not an app, it's actually Social Blend. Social Blend is very important. It's now where you'll be able to know your daily views and your daily subscribers, besides YouTube Studio. So now for Social Blend, I normally go to www.socialblend.com, and I will put in my channel name. After putting my channel, you can even put, the good thing with it that you can even put any person's channel and compare yourself with them, or compare one person to another. That that Social Blend thing, it inspires me so much, because I normally compare myself with the other YouTubers, and each time I look at how much they're earning, each time I look at how massive growth they are getting on their channels, I also get motivated and energetic. And even when I don't have the energy to do, I sometimes I end up saying, if they can do it, why can't I also put in the energy and reach where they are? Sometimes you need that self motivation. Yes. So Social Blend is also important. The good thing is with the Social Blend, that it gives you the total of in terms of views, total in terms of subscribers. uh like, it will show you that maybe today you got 2 subscribers and you got 100 views. It will show you tomorrow no one subscribed to your channel and you only also got maybe 200 views. It will show you, it will keep updating, like showing you daily stats about your channel. So you can also go check out those. By the way, the apps I'm mentioning about, these are I've not like been paid, but I'm just giving you ideas, because they're the same apps that I'm using on my end. They're the same apps that if I gave you my phone, you'll find in my phone. Like, they are there. So if you are starting up a channel, those are some of the apps that you need. You can also try out more other apps, but I think those are the most important for me, that I think that you need if you are a new subscriber, sorry, if you are a new if you are a new YouTuber, yes, tell me, I'll ask me, feel free to ask me more questions in the comment section. What else do you want to know? And let me tell you, I'm here. Me, what I'm looking at is, I want us to grow together. I want us to grow. I want to grow with you. Like, don't be stuck there. Don't just be there. If you have questions, feel free to ask me, and I'm very open. If you can only find me on my IG. My IG is Alice_Amy_. Yes, so I hope this video has been helpful to you who is planning to start a channel. And let me tell you, congratulations and welcome to the club. Do not give up. The bad thing with us, or with Africans, that we want to see growth very fast. I have, like, we normally want to see things work out so fast, but also we don't want to put in a lot of energy. But let me tell you, for YouTube, if you want to see growth, I will still refer you to the video I did first before this video. You'll have, first of all, to be consistent and motivate yourself, because most especially when you're starting, sometimes you're going to find that you upload a video and no one has watched, or you upload a video, or even two people watch, you upload a video, or even your own friends don't even watch your videos. But don't feel demoralized about it. All you have to look at the end game. What is, why you have begun, why have you begun that channel, is what is important. And if you look up to that every day, let me tell you, for in less than a year, you're going to be somewhere. I hope I've been able to speak to someone. Yeah, so this is Alice Amy, your host as usual. Feel free to join in. Feel free to ask me any questions. And for this video, I'll end it up here, and see you guys in the next video.